Welcome to Erika Lindstrom's channel. I'm here to help you to take control over your life and live the very best life on your terms. Today I will talk to you about meditation, and I will give you a tips on a very good app I recently starting to use. And now it starts raining. I'm actually in my garden, being home again after 7 weeks on the sea sailing on our boat. I don't care, it's raining. It's a beautiful day, it's warm outside, and it's going to be a thunderstorm. I just happen to love this kind of shifting in the weather. So let's talk about meditation. Why do we even meditate? Well, first of all, I'm sorry, I forgot my stick to hold the phone, but you have to do with this today. Why do we meditate? First of all, it's when you stress a lot, when you work really hard, maybe you work as a nurse, maybe you are a parent, maybe you are in business, whatever you work with, I'm sure you can feel sometimes the pressure of life, and you're rushing from this to that, and it's like your head is spinning, all the thoughts in your head are spinning around, and you don't know how to solve all the things you should do during the day. So you use meditation to actually quiet your mind for a while. So how I do it, in the beginning it was really difficult for me. So I started out and using guided meditations, which means someone talks to you and you choose someone that you like. It's when someone has a calm voice that appears to you, and you just listen and follow. And for me, it helped in the beginning to do something while I was listening. For example, walking, because walking is very meditative in itself. If you can walk in the forest, it's even better, or in the nature, because that calms your mind so much. And there actually science saying if you can see the variance in the nature, it will calm your brain down. So this app I'm talking about now is when you take next step, and that is trying to meditate on your own. And to do that, it's very good to use a sound to concentrate on. Some of you might listen to Abraham Hicks and know that Esther is using the ceiling fan, the air conditioning sound, when she meditates, because it's a consistent low sound that makes her brain just shift down, and she can focus on the sound, which means that her thoughts is slowing down, and the goal is to have no thoughts at all. So when you do this, it's very hard in the beginning, so don't do too much. I recommend that start with guided meditations, not too long, maximum 15 to 30 minutes. And then when you go into this app, which I'm going to give you the link below here, it's called Rain, and you can find it on App Store. I found it on my iPhone and I use it every day now. Then it's only 15 minutes and it's fading out. You can do the settings so it's fading out, and it's all kind of noises. It's like ocean waves, it's like raining and ceiling, it's birds in the forest or wherever. So when I do this meditation, first of all, I'm trying to just be relaxed. I'm trying to find this meditative state that I'm just trying to calm down my thoughts and stop them from spinning around in my head. And maybe if you into meditation, you have been taught that when the thoughts are coming into your head, you should see them like small little fluffy clouds, and you just watch them fade away and try to think of nothing. But actually, I'm not a fan of that, because you can't stop your thoughts completely. So what I do, I try to just observe my thoughts instead. I'm not trying to steer them or evolve them. I'm just observing my thoughts that's coming into me. And what I think it is, it's not a bad thing, those thoughts. It's the inner being of me finally finding a good line to me that I can hear. Because when I quiet down, I can finally hear the inner being of me talking to me, giving me the direction I should go to. So just embrace the new line to your inner being and listen carefully what's in your head, the thoughts that are coming into your head. And follow your intuition afterwards. If there is a very strong thought, I should really do this, probably there is a solution of a problem that you have been thinking of. Maybe it's unconscious sometimes, but you can recognize it. This is something good. It feels really good when I think about this solution. You should take action immediately after this meditation. Write it down or take action. Do something about it right away, because it's the inner being of you, the big knowledge inside of you, that's finally getting through all the noise and the fuss around you. So I hope this advices might help you and give me the best apps or what you the techniques you use for meditation, and that will help us all, I think, in this channel. So just give me comments below, and let's help each other to really quiet our minds so we can hear ourselves for a while. Take care, everyone, and I talk to you soon again. And of course, subscribe to my channel if you like this content. Bye bye.